Let's go through each step in detail for obtaining a loan in the USA. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. Start by understanding why you need the loan. Is it for a major purchase, debt consolidation, emergencies, or something else? Calculate the exact amount you need. Make sure it's realistic and accounts for all associated costs. Create a budget to determine how the loan will fit into your financial plan. This will help you decide on a loan amount and repayment terms you can comfortably manage. Step 2. Choose the right type of loan. Personal loan, used for various purposes, often unsecured. Mortgage loan, for buying a home. Auto loan, for buying a car. Student loan, for educational expenses. Business loan, to finance a business venture. The type of loan you choose depends on your specific financial needs. Step 3. Check your credit score. Obtain a free credit report from one of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Check for errors on your report and dispute any inaccuracies. Understand your credit score. Good credit can help you qualify for better loan terms. Step 4. Research lenders. Consider various lending options, including banks, credit unions, online lenders, and peer-to-peer lending platforms. Compare interest rates, fees, and loan terms from different lenders. Look at the lender's reputation and customer reviews to ensure reliability. Step 5. Gather necessary documents. Lenders typically require proof of income, employment, and identity. Common documents include pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and a driver's license. Organize these documents to streamline the application process. Step 6. Apply for the loan. Submit your loan application. This can usually be done online, in person at a bank or credit union, or by phone. Provide accurate information, including your personal details, financial information, and the purpose of the loan. Be prepared to answer additional questions and provide documentation as requested by the lender. Step 7. Review loan offers. Once you've applied, you'll receive loan offers from different lenders. Carefully review these offers, paying close attention to interest rates, loan terms, and any additional fees. Consider how each offer aligns with your financial goals and budget. Step 8. Accept the loan and repayment plan. After selecting a loan offer, you'll need to formally accept it. Review the loan agreement, which includes details about interest rates, monthly payments, repayment schedule, and any penalties for late payments. Ensure you understand all terms before accepting the loan. Step 9. Receive the loan funds. Once you've accepted the loan, the lender will disburse the funds. This may be done through direct deposit into your bank account or by issuing a check. Use the loan funds responsibly for the intended purpose, whether it's buying a home, car, or covering other expenses. Step 10. Repay the loan. Make timely payments according to the agreed-upon schedule. Consider setting up automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. If possible, pay more than the minimum payment to reduce the overall interest paid and pay off the loan faster. Remember, obtaining a loan is a significant financial decision, so it's crucial to research, plan, and budget carefully. Responsible borrowing and repayment are key to maintaining good credit and financial stability.